So today we're going to do a quick dinner, fish dinner recipe. So we're going to do a sweet chili. And we've got some triggerfish and amberjack that we caught earlier this year offshore. So a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and then some salt. Get a little coat of salt on there. Pepper. My wife doesn't like a whole lot of black pepper, so I'm gonna go real light on the black pepper. Alright, and now you can get this at Walmart, obviously. And this stuff is really good. It's got a good chili flavor, a little bit of sweet in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drizzle it all over the fish. And I've got my oven preheated to 400. Got a good coating all around. And this stuff is pretty sweet, but man, it's got a good little spice to it, but it's not something that a lot of people wouldn't be able to eat. So, and this doesn't, I mean, I thawed the fish out, had it vacuum sealed in the freezer, and then now we're gonna have dinner in about 15 minutes. And I've got my rice boiling, so it'll be ready about the same time as the fish. This is something, a good quick recipe you can do on a work night. So, there we go. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven at 400 and it'll probably take about 12 to 15 minutes because I've got some pretty thick pieces of amberjack, and we've got one triggerfish that is absolutely massive. It had to be about a 6 or 7 pound triggerfish. So, all right, we got it in the oven at 400. All right, so my rice is boiled. And this is the boil and bag rice, which is absolutely the best rice and easiest rice to make. So I got about a little tablespoon of butter. And mix that in real good and make that rice a whole lot better. Alright, I give it about 20-25 minutes because some of these pieces are pretty thick, but as long as it just kind of peels apart with a fork, it's done. Alright, there's amberjack. I put a little bit of butter in the pan and sprayed the bottom with olive oil. That looks good. The amberjack's good. Let's try a little piece of triggerfish here. A little piece of triggerfish. Oh my goodness. That triggerfish, that's about the top 3 of my favorite fish. By far, only rivaled by tuna and wahoo. So it's got a good little bit of a spice, sweet. And we're gonna put it over some rice with some good dinner. And that looks good. And it's really good, and you definitely need to try it if you haven't tried the instant bagged rice that you boil. That is definitely the trick. The instant rice is just not even comparable to the instant boil in the bag. It's a good, quick workday dinner or weekend dinner. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you try it out. Please subscribe.